Tennessee Industrial Printing is a commercial print shop here in West Tennessee. We do a lot of work from a commercial standpoint and manufacturing type work.
We do small run jobs all the way up to large run jobs, catalogs, magazines, manuals, postcards, pretty much anything on paper. Since we're a family-owned business here, we care more about putting good quality printing out to our customers. And whenever we get a project that comes in the house, we kind of work together more as a team because we really want to do more projects that are fun and good work for the company.
Tennessee Industrial Printing continues to invest into the new technology and everything because for years people have been bound and determined that the printing industry is dead. Well, we refuse to believe that from a standpoint that we always feel like it's going to be a demand for printing, but you have to stay on the front end of the technology from the digital side of it, and this investment with the new Komori press that we bought is part of that.
The G40 press has allowed us to make ready faster. It's cut down on our press sheet usage. The LED has allowed us to take sheets off the press and directly into finishing, cutting, folding, moves the project along faster.
When we got ready to decide to buy a new press, Komori was at the top of our list from a standpoint that we were already a full Komori shop. We had 3 Komori presses at that time, and we were getting ready to replace the 28-inch half size that we had. And so with the history that we had with Komori, with their service department, their parts department, and just their continued investment on technology and everything, we felt like a good business decision for us to go with Komori.
It's affected the estimating as far as from a cost standpoint. We're putting less sheets through the press in order to make count on a project. Our pressmen were really excited to get the new press, and going from one Komori to another Komori, the learning curve was pretty seamless. It seemed like our pressmen kind of stepped right into it and went through the training, and it just kind of just took off. So it wasn't anything just crazy different.
The capacity with the new press and what it has brought and how it's changed our day-to-day operations, our old way of being busy, or our old thought process of being busy has changed because now we are doing the same amount of work in probably about 30% less time than what we were doing with our older equipment. The features that the advanced system on the Komori that brings to the table is the quick make-readies. We're make-ready in about 10 minutes, and we're up to color within less than 200 press sheets. The bottom line is that it's making a huge amount of difference in our time and our capacity and the paper availability and that kind of thing. If you can use less make-ready sheets, that's more good sheets that you can sell off the press that you have. Then for the customer, the good thing about it is less make-ready, less paper, less cost. And so we turn that back to the customer as well, which makes us more attractive to our customers. And so we're investing into the new equipment not only for ourselves and for the well-being of the company, but also for our people, because we have a team here that has proven themselves that they're going to be here, and so we want to give them the best tools that they can work with. And then not only that, but we invest in that for our customers to be able to continue to offer them a competitive price, the quality that they request, and the efficiency of the job as a whole. And so that's why we continue to invest in the technology that we do, and we feel like that's a winning plan. Another reason Tennessee Industrial Printing continues to invest in the newer technology is sustainability, because with the LED, it's the lower energy and lower consumables, and it basically helping being good stewards of what we've been given. This was the very first new Komori press. Although we were a Komori shop, all the Komoris that I had bought before that were actually used presses. Bought one press directly from Komori. One of my big concerns was how much production time are we going to miss through this? They did a fantastic job getting the press up and going before Christmas break and got us back into production to where we could run production work.
I've kind of grown up in the business from kind of the ground floor, working in bindery, pre-press, sales, estimating. That has kind of rubbed off on me as far as my passion goes for the business.
Since I went into sales ever how many years ago, I've not worked a day in my life. It's all like a big hobby, and it's been a huge blessing for me and my family. The thing that I could say about Komori is that, they do what they say, and they say what they do. That's been a motto of this company for a long time. And for a company of this large of scale and everything to do that in this day of time is really a rare commodity. So if you're looking for a new press, I would challenge you to look at Komori from a standpoint of their service, their quality, the integrity of the equipment that they provide.